guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight I am making pork chops. I don't really eat pork chops no more, but for some reason that's what I want. Yeah, pork chops, rice and gravy, and corn. So I'm just showing y'all. This is pretty much this is pretty much all you need from the grocery store to make this, and your choice of seasoning, and that's it. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I got my meat all cleaned. I cleaned my meat, and now I am about to season my meat and get it ready for the frying pan. So we're gonna use, you can use what you like whatever your choice of seasoning is.
dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rockin' at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rockin' a sleeveless. Ease out.
Once we get so this is just like up close to show you. So I got my pork chops. Flip. Oh. So basically showing you here what it's looking like. I got these are the pork chops that's in the gravy, showing you up close. Here they go. So I got my onions and everything.
Big bang, take little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shorty break. When the money talks, what is there to say? Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave.
I'm back. So now, as you can see, my gravy has thickened. It's thickened up. My onions are done. This is pretty much done. And like, if you like thicker, you can go even thicker. Like, you can make it even thicker. So what you would do is that's when you will put the water with the flour, mix that up into like a liquid form. Very I would say thin, like water consistency, a water consistency, and you just would pour it in slowly, and then you would stir with your spoon like that, and that would make your gravy even thicker. But this right here, this is thick. This is perfect for me, like the way I like it. You can, I don't know if you can see that, but that's the consistency that I like. Can you see? So yeah. So, and then here we go. You can see the pork chops. And then the smothered pork chops and the onions and the gravy. Just wanted to show you guys that.